What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add widgets in Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to Microsoft Store, like so. Then at search bar you're gonna search for B widgets. And this is the app and you're gonna install it, like so. After your app has been installed, what you want to do is to open it. Now we're gonna click on OK. Then to add a widget, all you have to do is to click on new widget. And as you can see now, we got a clock widget. We can customize it as much as we want. We can move it by clicking on it and drag it where we want to be. Or we can change the type of the widgets. For example, we can change it to weather or to finance. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.